Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix an unexpected error problem on Instagram. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Instagram, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are encountering an unexpected error on Instagram, I know it's very frustrating, right? But of course, we are here to give you several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Number one is if you are using the Instagram on your mobile device, make sure you have an active and stable internet connection. Now go here at the mobile data and Wi-Fi because a weak or unstable connection can cause errors. Verify that your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or has a stable mobile data or cellular data connection. After that, you want to make sure go to the permissions and check for app permissions because missing permissions can cause the app to malfunction. And from here, ensure all of the necessary permissions are granted for camera, contacts, microphone notifications, photos and videos, and a lot more. All right. Now, the next thing is I need you to clear cache and data, but this is only applicable if you're using an Android, all right? Because corrupted cache and data can lead to app errors, but this won't delete your account or data, but might require you to log back in if you deleted the user data, all right? After that, you might want to install the Instagram because reinstalling the app can fix issues caused by corrupted files or settings. Uninstall Instagram from your device, then reinstall it from your app store and make sure to back up any important data if needed. Now, if that doesn't work, I need you to hover to the three horizontal lines, go to settings and privacy, and go to the report a problem at the bottom. Go to help, report a problem. And from here, I need you to fix Instagram unexpected error problem. Now send it and one of the support staff will give you insight on how to troubleshoot and potentially fix the Instagram unexpected error problem you are encountering, all right? And of course, understanding and addressing these reasons can help you resolve the unexpected error problem on Instagram and improve your overall experience within the app. And again, after that, you reported the issue, Instagram will identify and address potential bugs, leading to a fix in future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.